What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Listen up, guys. Look, check it out on screen. If you look at any news right now about the stock market, you're going to hear things that are very negative, right? So this one says most of the S&P 500 already in correction territory as the benchmark teeters near milestone, right? So they're talking about bear markets, corrections, red in the market, prices moving lower. There's a lot of fear out there. People are unsure of what's going on. But listen, I'm here to tell you that, guys, this is the time to make money in the markets, guys. This is where you guys make a lot of money. Listen, I love when markets move lower. I love when we get crashes in the market. I love when we get bear markets. Why? Because it's where I make the most money, guys. Do not let them scare you. Do not let them sidetrack you from the fact that this is going to be the greatest time, right? To make a lot of money in the markets, right? So let me put that into perspective for you guys, right? Look, check out some of the team members. Check out the guys over the Patreon, what they are achieving with me as we continue to absolutely rake it in from what is going on in the markets right now. So listen, shout out to Lee, one of the members. Got into one of our positions and is up 145%, guys. 145%. Guys, you see these types of returns. These types of returns are only achievable if you are using the options market to take full advantage of what's going on right now, guys. So listen, in the options market, you can make money if the market moves high. You can make a lot of money if the market moves lower. And that is what we are doing. We are making heaps and heaps and heaps of cash as the market piles on the pressure, as prices are going lower, guys. And I want to let you guys know that for the remainder of 2025, the market is going to continue to be under attack. Trump is going to continue to put pressure on the market. It's going to continue to make prices go cheaper. Going to continue to see these types of headlines, this type of market reaction. And the opportunity is available for all of you guys to make a lot of money, guys, this year, right? But I don't want you guys doing it alone. There's no need for any of you guys to operate alone. No need for any of you guys to operate solo. As a matter of fact, the best way that you guys can go ahead and take maximum advantage of what's going on in the markets is with a team, all right? Is with a movement, is with a community. And that's what we've got over at the Patreon. All right, so listen, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that link down below. Join us over the Patreon because, guys, we're doing amazing things. Check out Lee, another one of our members called Lee, up 235%, guys. 235%. These are the only way you guys get these types of returns is through the options market. The only way you guys get these types of returns is because of what's going on right now in the markets, right? Don't let them scare you. Don't let them put you off track. Don't let them think that you can't be making a lot of money in the markets right now, because guys, this is exactly what we are doing. All right, tons of the members. One more shout out to AO, went ahead, made 40% on one of our positions. Okay, guys, so that being said, I want to let you guys know that now's the time to be making money. Now's the time when they're putting on the pressure, shooting prices lower, doing all sorts of craziness in the markets. This is where you guys make a lot of money. All right, listen, let's go through the markets. Let's pick out a couple of names and let's talk, guys, because a couple of names have made some big moves. I want to discuss them with you guys. So look, we got Apple. It's not often I talk about Apple. Why? Because it's often a slow mover. But when we see weeks like we have seen in the last few days, where we're seeing Apple go from $240 down to $218, it deserves some attention. All right. That being said, listen, I want all of you guys to understand this. What they're going to be doing is they're going to be creating some recovery out there in the markets. Okay. So that means prices are going to go a little bit higher in certain names, all for them just to shoot it back down again. Okay. So I don't want you guys to be sidetracked. I don't want you guys to be caught on the wrong side of the market. So given the fact that you guys are listening to me, you're always going to be one step ahead of the game. You're always going to be in position to win. There's nothing more I love than seeing you guys winning. All right. Fills me with joy. Gives me a lot of satisfaction. provides me just with a lot of happiness, right? When I see you guys doing amazing things, because the market's done amazing things for me, and I want them to all to do amazing things for you. All right. So listen, now Apple's at what we call a level of support around this 218, 220 level. So naturally, we can easily see some buyers come in and push this up again. But listen, they're just going to send this right back down. Okay. As a matter of fact, we're probably going to get Apple going towards that $200 mark. Apple's had a phenomenal run over the last couple of years. It's now time for things to cool off a little bit, guys. But as I said, remember, for the remainder of 2025, the market's going to continue to be under attack. But that's going to be an incredible opportunity for all of you guys, as I've just shown you a second ago, okay? So this is one I wanted to touch on. But just remember, guys, Apple is going to continue to be a cornerstone of our generation and of our economy for the remainder of our lifetimes, okay? This is still a phenomenal business sitting on incredible amounts of cash, even though their core business operations are, not really setting the world on fire. But still, just given the brand, that alone is enough for the name, okay? But just know that they're going to play a couple of tricks with this one, given the fact that they've pushed this right into support today. But check out, there's a couple of names I want to speak to you guys about outside of this one. Another one's going to be Tesla, right? Look what they're doing with Tesla today, right? This thing's up about 3%. So again, this is the recovery, okay? This is that buying activity that I'm trying to tell you guys about, but it's going to be short-lived, okay? They're going to push this right down to $200. They haven't stopped with this one. As a matter of fact, look what they've done to this over the last month, okay? They've sent this from well above 300 all the way down to 200. And last time I spoke to you guys about Tesla, I was actually getting you guys prepared for the movement lower after their earnings, okay? But looking ahead, they're still going to put the pressure on this one. They're going to send this down to $200. This is what we call a short-term relief, okay? These short-term reliefs, they're going to make you guys thousands and thousands, okay, in profits this year, right? So this is another one that has piqued my interest. This is another one that I'm looking very closely at. This is another one I'm getting prepared to take a very, very tasty position on, okay? But listen, guys, 2025, I want all of you guys making a lot of money with me, right? Now is the time, as they're piling on the pressure, as the markets are under attack, you can use the options market to your advantage, okay, guys? So watch out for this one towards that $200 mark in due course, all right? Another name that has seen a lot of activity is Hood, right? Over the last week, they've sent this one down a good 20% from that 40, 48 level. Again, look what they're doing to this today, shooting it up about 4-5%, only to send it back down again. All right, guys, when you know the game, it's an opportunity for you guys to make hundreds, opportunity for you guys to make thousands week in, week out in these markets. All right, so this is another one that you guys want to be taking a look at and being mindful, because they're going to play a lot of games with this, but they're going to continue. This one's going to continue to be under siege. This one's also going to continue to be under attack. All right, which means that you guys have the opportunity to make a lot of money in this one as well. Okay, so hopefully this is resonating with you guys. Hopefully you guys can understand the opportunity that we all have this year in the markets. All right, you guys remember in the last video I told you they want to send this one to $100. Okay, given this 108, they haven't finished piling the pressure on this one. They haven't finished doing what they want to do to this one. They want to continue to send this one to $100. Now again, this is a type of market where the best companies in the world that are doing everything right are being penalized. Okay, this is the type of market where things may be moving illogical based on performance, based on numbers, based on information. But guys, if you just put a little bit of action in, okay, and understand what I'm saying to you guys. I'm telling you guys, you're all going to do exceptionally well this year. All right. And that's what we've been doing week in, week out, guys. We have been taking maximum advantage of the opportunities presented to us. Guys, every month in the markets is an opportunity to make thousands. Okay. This month is just the same. Already started this one incredibly well. We're only March. Guys, we're going to continue to pack the heat, going to continue to do exceptionally well, going to continue to do amazing things. And I want all of you guys, all right, getting active. I want all of you guys putting yourself in the position to take advantage of what is going on right now. Okay, so if you haven't already, guys, please make sure you get your brokerage account set up, you get your option account set up, okay, you get your charting platform set up, TradingView, and you get busy in these markets. All right, you're joining us, you're joining the team, and you're reaping the rewards. All right, we all win together. I don't want any of you guys out there thinking that you want to be lone rangers. You don't need to. All right, we got a pack of guys, pack of people doing incredibly well, taking advantage of the markets, using the options market, taking advantage of what's going on. And there's no reason why you shouldn't be in the movement. There's no reason why you shouldn't be in the community with us. All right, so guys, listen, that's the video for today. I couldn't be more excited for what the market's got in store for us. And I just want you guys also to feel that energy, to feel what I'm saying, because listen, it's going to be an incredible year. All right, guys, listen, that's the video for today. I'll see all of you guys next time.